Alright, let's try this classic song. Title is Honesty. Ayan, napakahirap niyan sa panahon ngayon, yung honesty. Oo, maya-maya lang mahal, mag-end na rin ako. Nag-ano lang ako, gumagawa lang ako ng content. Oo, para sa YouTube, para may ma-edit ako. Maya-maya lang. If you search for tenderness, it isn't hard to find. You can never love you need to live. But if you look for truthfulness, you might just as well be blind. It always seems to be so hard to give. Honesty's such a lonely world, and everyone is so untrue. And honesty's hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. I can always find someone they say sympathize if I wear my heart out on my sleeves. But I don't want some pretty faces tell me pretty lies, and all I want is someone to believe. Such a lonely world, and everyone is so untrue. And honesty is hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. And I can find a I can find a friend, and I can have security until the bitter end. Then anyone can comfort me with promises again, and I know when I'm deep inside of me, don't be too concerned, and I won't ask for nothing while I'm gone. But when I want sincerity, tell me where else can I turn? 'Cause you're the one that I depend upon. Such a lonely world, and everyone is so untrue. Honesty's hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. Grabe, napakahirap talaga niyan ang maging honest, lalo na pag nasa bigo ka, no? Oo, ang hirap maging honest. Parang pag nasa bigo ka, para ka kumita, sirain mo buhay mo, no? Ganun dapat. Ayan, shout out to everyone. Ayan.